Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that this is our online English class, and in English today we are going to do spelling power book. Okay? 2 exercises of spelling power book. So children, please take out your spelling power book and turn to page 17. Okay? Here is the page number 17. Chapter number 6, that is silent letters. Now, what are silent letters, children? Silent letters are those which are while pronouncing which are not pronounced. Okay, जब हम silent letters बोलते हैं, जब हम बोलते हैं कोई word को, तो उस word में कोई letter लिखा तो जाता है but उसको बोला नहीं जाता. Okay, those are called silent letters. Now, as you can see in this green box, in these words we do not say the last letter. ये सारे words जो आपको दिए हैं, इसमें last letter क्या है? E. तो E का sound क्या होता है? वो हम इन sentence इन words में नहीं बोलते. Like hate. Last में sound क्या आया? T का. H-A-T-E, hate. We are not saying it like hatey. Okay. हम उसको हेटी नहीं बोलेंगे, हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? हेट. तो लास्ट में टी का साउंड आ रहा है और ई साइलेंट है, तो ई स्पेलिंग लिखने में आएगा बट बोलने में नहीं आएगा. सेम इज विद लेट, शेक, बाइक, वेव, डांस, कोप, मेज, एप्पल, डव, वेक, डेट, gaze, love, kite, chance, hope, sight, save and babe. Now in all these letters the last letter is E. In all these words the last letter is E, and in all these words we will write E in the spelling but we will not pronounce it. Okay, E is silent. Now coming to the first exercise, that is replace the first letter with the given letters. Now first word हमें क्या दिया है? bite. bite में you can see B के नीचे underline है, ये first letter है इस word का. हमें इस first letter को हटाना है, B को हटाना है और ये तीन letters लगा के हमें ITE का word बनाना है. ओके, लाइक BITE bite, B हट जाएगा, C आ जाएगा, CITE sight, देन C हट जाएगा, KITE kite, देन WH लग जाएगा तो WHITE white. In this manner we will do this exercise. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Now shall we start with this exercise? Okay, so as you can see, replace bite with C, K and WH. तो फर्स्ट लेटर इज बी, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ बी, बी की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? पहले सी. सो वी विल राइट C I T E, sight. Is that clear? Now next letter is K, so we will write K I T E, kite. Okay, and next letter is WH, so we will write WHITE, white. Is that clear? So from the word bite we have replaced B with all these 3 letters and we have made new 3 words. Okay, हमने 3 नए words बनाए हैं, 3 नए letters लगा के. Is that clear? Now the second part. Replace cable with L, T and F. Okay. So हमें केबल का C हटा के L से बनाना है, फिर T से बनाना है और F से बनाना है. So first letter is L. So first word will be LABLE, label. Second letter will be TABLE, table. Third word will be F से बनाना है, FABLE, fable. Is it clear, children? So here we have made 3 new words. Okay. Now, sorry, first one was L. This will be L. LABE, label. Okay. Now coming to the third one, GATE, gate. We have to replace G with HDR. So first word will be HATE, hate. Second word will be DATE, date. Third word will be RATE, rate. Is that clear? Now the fourth one, TIDE, tide. We will replace T with SRW. First letter will be SIDE, side. Second will be RIDE, ride. Third letter will be WIDE, wide. Is that clear? Now the fifth word, BIKE, bike. We have to replace B with HLM. So first word will be HIKE, hike. LIKE, like. Third word will be MIKE, mic. Is that clear? Next is have. H will be replaced with CGS. So the first word will be CAVE, cave. GAVE, gave. SAVE, save. Is that clear? Next is name. NAME, name. N will be replaced with CGL. So first word will be CAME, came. GAME, game. And LAME, lame. Is that clear? Now last word is pipe. PIPE, pipe. P will be replaced with, first letter P will be replaced with R and W. So here two words will be formed, RIPE, ripe, and WIPE, wipe. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood this exercise. Now coming to the second exercise. Second question. Add ST, CL, BR, CR, SH, SP to form new words. आपको यहाँ पे वर्ड्स दिए हैं, वन, ONE, वन, OWN, ओन, ORE, और ATE, एट. ओके, ये आपको 6 वर्ड्स दिए हैं. इन 6 वर्ड्स के पहले ब्लैंक्स दिए, तो वो ब्लैंक में हमें ये वर्ड्स ऐड करने हैं और 2 नए वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दिस. First word is ONE, one. What will be added before to make a new word? CL, ST. Okay, STONE, stone. We can add STONE, stone. So the word will become STONE, stone. And one more word, SHONE, shown. Here SH is given, so we can write SHONE, shown. ठीक है. Now coming to the next word, OWN. OWN से पहले हम क्या लगा सकते हैं? CL, CLOWN, clown. CLOWN will become clown. Okay, then we can add BR, BROWN, brown. ओके, CR भी हम ऐड कर सकते थे, CROWN, crown. So you can add any word and you can make 2 new words. Okay. Second is ORE, or. We can add STORE, store. Then we can add sh, shore, 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 shore. Okay. Now the fourth one is ate, ate. Now what can we add? We can add st, state, state. Okay. So new word will be state, state, and second new word will be crate, crate. crate, crate. Is that clear? Now eak, what the word is eak. What we can add? We can add st. Okay, steak, 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 and we can also add sp, so that new word will become speak, speak. That means bolna. Now the last word is ave. Okay, so what can we add? br, we can add br, brave, brave. Then we can add shave, shave, shave. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood the second exercise also. In this exercise, what we have done, we have added these letters to these words to form new two words. Is that clear? हमने इन words के पहले यहाँ पे ये वाले words में से choice करके लगाए हैं to form new words. Okay, दो नए words बनाने के लिए. Now turn the page. Chapter number 7. In this, what we are going to learn? Homes of animals. Now homes of animals, where does the animals live? Okay, their homes. So dog lives in a kennel, you all know that. Horse lives in a stable. Lion lives in a den. Bird lives in a nest. Rabbit lives in a burrow, and camel lives in a desert. Is that clear, children? Now coming to the exercise number 2. You all have to learn these. Dog, kennel, kennel, kennel. Horse, stable, stable, stable. Then lion, den, den, den. Bird, nest, nest, nest. Rabbit, burrow, burrow, burrow. And camel, desert, desert. Okay. Now the second question is that you have to match the following animals with their homes. On one side, the names of animals are given, and on the other side, their homes are written. You have to match side A with side B. Okay, you have to match the animals with their homes. Okay, where do they live? So rabbit lives in a burrow. Where is burrow written? Burrow is on the 1, 2, 3, 4th line. Fourth word is burrow. So what we will do? We will draw a straight line from rabbit to burrow. Okay, rabbit lives in a burrow. Dog lives in a kennel. Kennel is written on the first word. Dog, kennel. Lion lives in a den. So we will match lion with den. Then comes horse, lives in stable. So horse will be matched with stable, like this. Then bird lives in nest. So bird will be matched with nest. Is that clear? And the last one is camel. Camel will be matched with desert. Okay, camel is called the ship of the desert. You all have learned that. So rabbit lives in burrow. Dog lives in kennel. Lion lives in den. Bird lives in nest. And camel lives in desert. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood this. Okay. Now, children, today I am giving you only 2 exercises, 2 chapters, 6 and 7, and you have to complete these 2 exercises which I have given. With this video, I will be giving you an assignment. In that assignment, I will click the pictures of these pages which I have made you understand, and then you can see from that assignment and you can do all your exercises. Is that clear, children? So till my next video, complete your work and get your books corrected also. And correction timing is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. You all know that. And you can come from Monday to Saturday for corrections. Okay, so till my next video, children, complete your work. Bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.